my people, how you doing? It's a baby girl, Commando of Africa. Ade, your origin rich. Worry me, no nobody can see. Take a good look at me. Tiwa Lasha, Tiwa Nisheshe. Hey, when it comes to culture, you know I got you covered. Like right now, today na cultural day for where I dey. If you no know, you no know. If you sleep on it, yeah. Hello, stop
Ẹ
playing.
káàárọ̀ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, orúkọ tèmi ni Fọlárànmí Ìyanu-Olúwa. Kíláàsì tí mo wà ní DSS 2. Mo sì wá síbí láti sọ fún yín orúkọ 5 tí àwọn Yorùbá ń jẹ́. Mo sì tún fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé èmi mò ń rẹpírẹ́sẹ̀ǹtì Yorùbá culture táwọn olóyìnbó mọ̀ sí Àṣàdé. Mo wá fẹ́ sọ fún yín ní orúkọ 5 tí àwọn obìnrin àti ọkùnrin Yorùbá ń jẹ́ àti oúnjẹ 3 tí wọ́n ń jẹ. Èkíní Àríkẹ́, èkejì Àṣàkẹ́, ẹ̀kẹta Àjọkẹ́, ẹ̀kẹrin Àlàní, ẹ̀karùn-ún Àkànjí. Àti oúnjẹ wọn: àkọ́kọ́ àmàlà àti ewédú pẹ̀lú gbẹ̀gìrì àti ẹran pẹ̀lú pọ̀nmọ́ àtẹja. Ẹ̀kejì àkàrà, ẹ̀kẹta mọ́ínmọ́ín. Ẹ ṣé.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oluwasola Opeyemi. I am here to say my culture, which is Igbo culture, and I'm going to say the names of the Igbo people and the food, which their name is Amarachi, Chinedu.
Inakwana. My name is Ireluwa Ogremi. I'm in GSS 3 class. I'm here to represent the tribe Hausa. In Hausa, we are located in the northern geographical zone of Nigeria, and we have names. Our name, through our name, you can differentiate us and try our food. Examples of our name: we have Ali, Abubakar, Nuhu, Badaru, and Muhammadu, Sulaiman. And some of the food we eat, we have tuwo shinkafa, which is made from rice, millet, sorghum. And some of our food, we have yamarita, yam and a type of egg, and wike. So I hope with this you'll be able to differentiate us in our tribe. Thank you.